Verranno distribuite i tipici dolci mamoiadini del carnevale, le orulettas, e annaffiate dal vino cannonau, sempre locale. In attesa della sfilata invitiamo tutti ad unirsi in un cerchio e a provare il ballo sardo mamoiadino. Cerchiamo di creare un cerchio il più grande possibile che prenda tutta la piazza. Grazie al suonatore che dal vivo si esibisce e ci consente di creare un bel ballo.
Welcome to the 2026 Moyada Historic Carnival. We thank to Municipal Administration and the Education Department, the Cultural Association Ivo Perusa and Activities. For the third year, the Moyada Carnival has been recognized by the Ministry of Culture as one of the historic carnivals. We shortly witnessed the dance procession of the traditional conductores and sonadores Moyada, together with the ballet group and the typical traditional dress by the association Santo Cosimo Italiano. The group Azzeni, the conductores e sonadores Moyada and the Loco. Now you can join the typical ballet of Moyada, and we thank the man who is playing with the typical ornette for the traditional arts. We thank you and fantastic carnival in Moyada.